It's 6 in the morning, heading to work. It's the last week of work. And got a few appointments today. Gonna hit the gym. So right now we're just really wrapping up everything in the shop. And because the last day of work is the 29th. He's picking me up. Say hi to vlog, Tony.
You look fresh.
Do I really?
Yeah, meanwhile I look like with my wig all low. I gotta get this thing off my head.
She hates wearing her wigs after a weekend.
Yeah, but it's like I was looking at it this morning, I was like, oh my god, this thing is on top of my eyebrow. What happened?
What were you thinking? And just kind of prepare for the shop to be closed down, which is really nice.
And still got a ton of orders.
Yeah, I got a lot of orders to process.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today.
Yeah, today should be fun.
Yeah.
Or a regular day.
Yeah, regular day.
Be a regular day.
Nothing fun. The weekend was fun.
Yeah,
this is just work. And we made it to the shop. We're gonna mainly be focused on this week, well, for the last week, probably the hair closet. If you guys have been in here or not, there used to be like a ton of pennies down here. It's like $500 worth of pennies. So my dad was, or our dad was really adamant about getting these pennies up, which is really good. But we're pretty much just gonna be doing a everything has to go. We have a ton of like units, products, like business products, everything in here so that we can switch everything to online, because we do have a big move coming up. And write down in the comments below where you think we're going next. So to be able to do this big move, we need to shed a lot of our expenses and everything. So we decided together that we were, well, you know, with family too, that we were prepared to kind of get rid of this space here, because last year,
What last year?
yeah, last year we decided to see what it would be like to stop taking clients and focus solely on our online business. And in that year, we did more sales than we had before. Yeah, ever, which was really nice. And not being stationary to a chair. So, or even to a space. Yeah, so it was just, that allowed us to take us to the next level in our business. So we decided this year, especially when sew-ins, weaves, all that stuff takes a downturn anyways, that we would go ahead and close it down, cut cost here, and then move somewhere else to be able to see what that does for our business. So we don't have kids or anything that would tie us to this space or even this city. So we're like, okay, let's go for it. So we're gonna be closing out this space and the rest of the shop. And you still be able to find us at theclearhaircloset.com, which is really good. Take your key.
How you like the floor?
You did an excellent job. How long did it take us to put the floor up?
At least a week.
At least a week. Painstakingly.
Yeah.
How long did it take to pull it up?
2-3 hours.
Not bad at all.
Yeah. Yeah. It was easy with the mats. I had a little difficulty right here. You'll see.
Yeah, you pull it up a bit.
Right here in this area. You can see where the pennies were. Well, I didn't use the mat.
Yeah.
So.
And we almost died in here with all the fumes, all the glue.
On to the next venture.
sorry.
Ooh, I thought you said you wasn't coming.
And I know. Bye, mommy.
I don't want to miss none.
Ooh, something hard in there. What's in there? A blow dryer?
It could be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Off to the mailbox.
Yes. Off to the mailbox. Ooh, look, I finally got that wig off. Jesus.
Yeah, she's happy about that.
Look how low it was. This is my hairline. This where the wig was.
Yeah, it was too low.
Fix it, Jesus. And mom be calling me. Hello.
Like we're not in
Hold
the
on.
same car. All right, bye, y'all. See you at the
Wait.
mailbox.
Whatever.
So anyway,
Oh, it's empty.
It is empty. I'm getting up out of here.
yeah, almost, ladies. This stuff got to be paid.
Nah, but that's not before because we're still selling wigs online.
Yeah.
So that's not contingent upon us being here. The wig's still gonna be sold. Yeah,
And
because
I
we
wanna
won't
see
be
the-
able to make it through.
So we was
the
short.
year.
We was short in February, and we need to keep hitting 40 every month.
Everyone.
Every
Right.
month.
Yeah. And when
That's
I get back
fine,
there, should
but
be
we
fine.
know during the summer they trend down, so we need to be in a place where we can get to the funds. And if we're here, we can't get to them.
I'm with you, babe.
But luckily
Wherever
we don't
y'all
have
go,
the.
Wherever y'all
you know,
go, you
this-
got my 100% support. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
you coming?
Yeah, you coming. So calm down. Anyway, we about to go to the gym. Come on, Nicole.
Know what?
We have to eat. I've been up since like 5. Oh my God, the bonnet.
You wear it like it's a style, like you
Yeah.
put it on like that.
Like,
It's your
kinda
style.
like it's a
And we
style.
gotta go. I'm hungry. I'm
Yeah,
hungry,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
hungry,
I've been
I'm
at the
hungry,
shop
I'm hungry, I'm
since like
hungry,
5, 6 o'clock doing orders.
No, because she gonna have to put it.
And
in
now we gotta go back home so I can finally eat and wash, because no, I did not wash before I came here. And go to the gym. So that should be fun.
I washed.
Are you gonna wash again?
Yes.
I mean, it was so early. All I wanted to do was just hurry up and come to work, do my work.
I don't know if you should tell anybody that.
That I didn't wash? I mean, it's 11 o'clock. I'll be okay.
My God.
I will be okay. It's 11. It's still early.
You see, I took the thing down over
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Love you.
See it.
I'm taking it down.
Bye.
Holla. Ain't no stopping me.
Horrible. Aw. Y'all heard that. The workout's horrible.
Well, yeah, he might be in a mood.
Hey.
Oh, you know what? I kind of was hoping the music was a little different. Coming into midday, I was hoping for a little bit of rah-rah.
It's time to work out.
Your muscles.
Tired.
Look.
Should make me do 20 more squats off of this song alone. Hey, Jimmy, say bye to the vlog. Bye.
Have a great workout, you guys.
Let's go. Let's be out. Bye. Bye. Hi. Woo. Freedom. Come on, Tony. Yeah, we're going to Old Timey Meat Market, and then we're just gonna pick up gallon water and some bread from Sam's. I love Sam's for meal prep because they have large quantities. I love using the app because you can run through the store and check out all by yourself. Not even like a self checkout. Like as you're getting your items, you can swipe them.
Subscription.
And it's only like $40 a year. Of course, Sam's is not paying me, but I just really love Sam's. Sam's is really good.
Yeah, because
you guys know, or you may not know, we have Girl Power University, which is just now kind of like coming into realization. It's something that we've been working on and we want to share. So we've just really got started on like, okay, let's share it. And I mean, she's 53. She finds that she really wants to like have a business of her own, but she doesn't really know where to start. But the reality is herself is like, start there, you know?
that's so different
Start
from
there.
us because I'm 29, almost 30. How old are you now?
I'm 26.
And we've always had our own business.
Right,
so
right.
From Nicole has never worked a job other than her own company.
Right.
I've had 2 jobs when I was 18 or 19 just for sales experience. But other than that, we've always owned our own business. So it's second nature to us for us to have business ideas, execute them, work together. But for other ladies, they find it harder to start a business. So I think that's where we're gonna come in, just maybe being more having more expertise in that way,
right,
and sharing our expertise with other women or men who want to start a business, grow a business, expand their business, whatever you want to do. I think we can help, because in the last 11 years I've done that, and freaking since she was 18.
Forever.
Yeah, forever. Before that, yeah. She has done that, so I think we have a lot of knowledge. We just want to share it.
Right, and just sharing it. So we were talking to her about like what can be your niche, what can you offer people within your circle and with outside of your circle, stuff that they may not know they need or may know that they need and they're already asking you, and how do you monetize that? That's the biggest thing, just being able to monetize your knowledge and kind of share it with the world in the way that you see fit. So we were really able to get a really good conversation, and also it helped us in turn to see, well, what do people in the world need from us? If this is going to be something that we're offering, and we are, how can we better help everybody understand their who they are and what they
their
have
niche.
to offer. Yeah.
Yes,
Tasty. Those brownie, I told you, she gave us a bite of it. Oh my goodness.
give me a whole one.
And a croissant. Ooh, it smells good. Let's go get the apples. I'm cold. Right there. The apple you want in particular? No. Make a difference.
can walk clean out?
Yes, we can.
How much was it?
It was $18.
$18 for all those apples, all that water, and 2 loaves of bread.
Right.
Well, how else do you, what else? Yeah, give me a card.
Because and that same. Sorry. There we go. I'm not chasing nobody down.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
We did. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
He hit her with the gift card.
Yeah, he
No,
did.
sir. No, sir.
I ain't got time today.
You always playing. From barbershop.
Oh my gosh.
Thumbnail. Where are you? I think that's probably what will we miss that? Yeah, I'll miss that, because even just this morning when we our client came in, she was asking how long had Amber been coming to us. Amber, through 2 kids, we've seen her have 2 babies at least 6 years.
Right.
At least 6 years.
Right.
And we've had the same client. Yeah, most of our clients we had that long, and she was just asking how we started. So I gave her a quick synopsis of how we started. I think I'll miss that most, maybe.
Right.
Just talking to clients, even though we didn't have super close, like, best friendships, they came into us religiously, and that'll be different too.
We were reliable.
Very reliable. So that'll be super different living somewhere else and people not knowing us. Even just now on the way out of Sam's, the girl who was there said, oh, you guys did my hair. You guys do my hair. And that happens most of the places we go. People do know who we are, or that we've serviced them or their friend or something. So to be in a new place,
Right.
and you're just a regular person. Don't nobody know you from Tom.
Regular day.
That'll be very nice.
Yeah, fun.
But also very different.
Right, because you can be whoever
Whoever you want to be, not the hair girls.
Right.
Be,
Which I don't mind either. I don't care.
or the sisters, because we were known as the sisters for a long time.
We separate.
2 separate.